Hi everyone, welcome back, and today I'll be sharing some updates on progress and changes I'll be making to the channel. Alright, so let's get into it. The first big change is a new art direction. I've been thinking long and hard about this and doing a lot of soul searching, and I keep landing on the style from Guilty Gear X. After doing some more research, I found quite a few tutorials on how to achieve it, and even found the developer himself explaining how it was created. So this is the style I'm going to be aiming for all future projects. Now, what I like about this style is it's relatively low poly, and all of the detail is modeled in. So there are basically no texture maps, no light maps, no alpha maps, just polygons and color textures. It's literally just simple, pure 3D modeling without subdivision. No subdivision means less complicated graphics. Simpler graphics means the game will run faster on most computers, and that I'll be able to put more action on the screen without slowing down the frame rate. Cel-shaded lighting means that the game should look and age well, and this is important because it means it's an art style that I can feel safe investing in and develop for a long time to come. The styled models also mean that I don't have to worry about focusing on realism or detail when modeling, so it will save me a lot of time. All in all, I'm super hyped about getting into this, but in order to tackle this task, I need to find a new 3D program that is free and capable of exporting these characters to Unity in FBX format. And Blender seems to be the program that everyone is recommending, so as of today, I'm going to try it out and start learning Blender. So, let's see how close we can get to our new style. I want to be a lot more public during development this time, and I'll be posting screenshots of my progress day by day on Twitter. Twitter will actually be the best place to view the journey on this new art style. And if you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter here. I'm going to be much more active on Twitter, so I hope to see you there. So what do you guys think about the new art style? Do you like it? Do you not? If you don't, why? And what style would you prefer? What are your favorite styles? Just let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinions on these things. Anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.